Hey guys, DHG here, and today we're playing some more Little Inferno. Um, I can't remember what happened last time, but I think we just found out that Sugar Plums is our neighbor. Oh, and we found this new category. Wooden spoons, marshmallows, ice, sausages. Let's see, can we get something here? Get building blocks. Ah, I knew exactly how much I could have. I'm smart like that. Okay. Start building. Hmm. A new letter. Oh! Is it your fireplace keeping you warm? Do you know what's even cozier than crackling fire? I hear a hug. Attach is a coupon for one free hug. You might need it one day. Love, Miss Nancy. Huh. Okay. I don't think I should burn that. That's nice. I don't know why. Whoa. 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 That is cool. Oh no. It's breaking my stuff. Oh no. Gotta be careful. Gotta be gentle. Oh no. Oh no. Let's just start. Oh no. Die, dry ice. Burn already. Oh my god. I failed horribly. Stupid dry ice. You ruined everything. Spider. Well, at least there's still some marshmallows. Whoa. Well, that fire didn't go too great. So another. Note to self. Don't touch anything when burning dry grass. Okay. But let it. This guy. Oh. Get one more. Okay, guess not. Yeah. Yeah. Spider. I'm pretty good at this. You just gotta get rid of that stuff. Okay. Another letter! We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Hello, neighbor. Are you still there? You're reading all of my letters really carefully, right? You're not just skipping through them and burning them up, are you? One day I might say something really important. P.S. I ordered you something. Are you ready? It arrives today, down your chimney. Curtains! But aren't they burned? Oh, they're fireproof. Huh. Do you like your new curtains? They're so pretty. There's nothing like a well-decorated home. But no worry, they're fireproof. I just found that out. Love, Sugar Plum. Okay. Bags. Bags. Kill that spider. More bags. Oh, he floats. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oops. Well, crap. Huh. What? Huh. Now that is a good fire. Kinda. This is pretty good. Okay. PC. That. Fuck bear. Okay. Okay. Whoa, green fire. It must be really hot then. Never seen green fire before. Yeah. Okay. Here, have soda. And you have a soda. Okay. And soda, have a soda. Ew. This has to end well. So, now we have to know. They explode. Huh. Wow. This fire's actually doing pretty good. Yeah. I like this. Okay. More lollygagging. Coffee! It's coffee time! Okay. Kaboom! Ooh. Aha. Must be important. Ah. Am I too strong? I'm too strong to keep breaking. Ew! I saw it back! Ah! Gah! Hey, will you send me... will you send me an exterminator? Okay, thanks. Stop. Oh, yeah, I can't burn it. I like it how people do that. Like, they ask you for something, and before you can reply, they say, okay, thanks. Crap. I didn't want to burn that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Wow. That's not good. Oh, I don't get my one free hug. Oh, I wanted a free hug. Oh well. You gotta go with something special, Miss Nancy. I'm gonna burn you while also burning the yodeler. Goodbye. So beautiful. Oh well. Looking. It's raining roses. A nice touch. Who's it now? Thank you for the exterminators. He's perfect. Ready, exterminator? Let's get that bug. 1, 2, 3! Ha 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 ha! Blam, blam, blam! Oh, there's the little beetle bug. Come here, little beetle bug buddy. Okay, we're friends now. Look, look, look. He loves me. Smooch. Aw, he laid in it. Here. Yeah. Bug friend. Cool. I guess. Okay. Ooh. Spider egg. Whoa. What happened? Oh. Ooh. Oh, I get it. Ooh. Have they like, have they spread? That's disgusting. Ew. Yeah. Super disgusting. Get that. Oh my sweetie. Burn it. Okay. Bye guys. So I had to cut this video short. I'll see you in the next video.